Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video we are going to do an after dark clean with me. So this day it was a snowstorm. I had come home early from work and Robbie was out plowing, so I had the whole evening just to clean, and as you can see it really needed to be done. So this is real life messes in our kitchen and in our living room. And I'm going to have some relaxing music, so hopefully it's motivating and relaxing to you, and I'm going to try not to do too much talking throughout the video so that you can really just enjoy. So if you have any questions on anything that I'm using or anything else, just leave it in the comments and I'll be sure to reply to you. Enjoy!
Said that you moved on. Where did I go wrong? I tried to make you stay, but I guess my love wasn't enough. Was it me or was it you, love? 'Cause I'm dying to know. Why do you wanna end? Was it real or just pretend? Tell me, why do you wanna end? Was he really just a friend? No sign of you at all. Just pictures on these walls, reminding me of how you threw away all that we've gone through. Was it all just a game to you? 'Cause I'm dying to know. Why do you wanna end? Was it real or just pretend? Tell me, why do you wanna end? Was he really just a friend? 'Cause it's plain in my head, every word that you said, I ain't worked it out yet. So why do you wanna end? Was it real or just pretend? If there was any sign that our love was in decline, I would have begged you not to go. I would have given even more. My heart is breaking up inside. Can't believe our love has died. Guess it's out of my control. Why do you wanna end? Was it real or just pretend? Tell me, why do you wanna end? the sunrise with you. Getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, now I do. And I wish that I could.
Okay, so now I'm going to fold some laundry, and our washer and dryer is in our kitchen, and I find if I don't fold the laundry here at the kitchen table, it probably won't get done. It'll get thrown in a basket and brought into the bedroom, and it will stay in that basket for a long time. So I always make sure that I fold it straight out of the dryer right here on the table, and then when it gets upstairs it's ready to be put away. And as you can see, I have my phone propped up. I am watching Cheer on Netflix. I used to be a cheerleader, and I coached and owned a cheer gym for about 6 years, so I was really excited to watch this new series. So if you're not really sure what Cheer's about and what the sport's about, I definitely recommend watching this.
Doing this for? Lying here on my bedroom floor, finding peace in the memories of you. I wasn't missing a thing, now I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine. 'Cause time moves on, and now you're gone.
What are you doing in there?
Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine.
Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave.
And that's everything for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any other videos. And if you made it to the end, drop an emoji that has to do with snow, so like a snowflake or a snowman, anything like that, since I did record this in a snowstorm. Thanks guys, and we'll see you in the next one.